Hi, my name is Alyssa Valenti. I'm the Electronic Resources Librarian at Raritan Valley Community College. I'm going to walk you through the process of accessing the Safari O'Reilly ebook platform today in this video. The best place to start is from the library's homepage, which is library.raritanval.edu. Now, there are a couple of ways to get to the Safari platform, but the easiest one is to click on Databases. Scroll down just a little bit to browse from A to Z and click on S for Safari. It's the first one down here, so click on it. Now, if this is the very first time you've ever accessed this platform, you'll see this screen. When you click on this pull-down menu, RVCC is not listed, so you'll want to scroll all the way up to the top and click Not Listed. Click here. All you have to do now is enter your Raritan Val email address. If this is your student account at stu.raritanval.edu will work. After you enter your email address, click on Let's Go. You can see Welcome to the platform and click on Got It. Now, you do not have to create your own account for this platform. If you'd like to, you are welcome to. You can see the little person icon in the top corner. I already have an account, so it logged me in after I entered that information, but you can feel free to just continue to authenticate by just typing in your academic email address. If you have any questions at all about how to use Safari/O'Reilly, you can let me know. My email address is alyssa.valenti@raritanval.edu, or you can get help from the library's webpage via our live chat feature, which is on every single library page right here at the top, and it'll say live chat if we're online. Thanks so much, and talk to you soon.